Oh, Pentumbra, you just don't see my vision. Once I rally the others to my cause, we're finally gonna make an impact.
Listen, man, I like you. I really do. You're cool. But does it sound a bit culty?
We ethereals need a strong leader. Someone who can prove the naysayers wrong.
Well, I know you and Whaill have some beef, but I'm neutral with all this. I'm not getting involved with either parties.
Very well, but when this is all said and done and we finally escape, don't come crawling back to me. Down in the workshop, listen up everyone, listen loud and listen close. Stop.
Skip the workshop. How are we supposed to do that?
Don't you understand? This is the only place we can live.
You're just shy of the truth, Whaill. Listen up everyone, listen loud and listen close. For I, Vhenshun, have a plan to escape this workshop once and for all.
Escape the workshop? How are we supposed to do that?
I'll tell you what, we're gonna make an impact, and we're gonna get out of here. Down below the surface, down in the deep, we were created using unimaginable feat. This laboratory built by someone so long ago, by whom we do not know. Now we creations aren't too allowed to leave, for sorrow traps us within himself. We see the light shining from the outside, and we want out, we want out. Spirits and shadows, machines like me, crystals and poison, all of us want to be free. We don't want to be down in the workshop. We're not gonna stop. We'll make it to the top, or we'll all be caught down in the workshop.
Vhenshun, don't tell me you're going on about the whole escaping the workshop thing again.
You're just blind to the truth, Whaill.
No! You're the one who's blind. Don't you understand? This is the only place we can live. Some of you are blinded by your idea. You can tell what's on your mind and what is real, and follow this foolish god on the path he trots. You treat your home as if it's a prison cell. This is the only place where we can dwell. Don't you see? This is the only place where we can be. Steel and shadows, plasma like me, crystal and poison. This is only where we'll be truly free. Down in the workshop. This all better stop. There's no going to the top, for you will all be caught down in the workshop.
You think you can falter me?
Falter the machine, falter the machine.
Well, soon you'll all look up to me.
We look up to him, we look up to him.
Down in the workshop, we're not gonna stop. We'll make it to the top, or we'll all be caught down in the workshop. Down in the workshop.
Falter the machine, falter the machine.
We're
All
not
better
gonna
stop.
stop.
Look up to him, we look up to him.
We'll make it to the top, or we'll all be caught down in the workshop.
Look up to him, we look up to him. We look up to him, we look up to him.